good though. I know. And it tastes really good too. Well, at least I think it tastes good. Zaya now, the verdict is out on it. Zaya is not really feeling well, so the whole idea behind the baked chicken dumpling is to kind of give her one thing to eat, because usually she has, you know, carbs and then like protein and whatever. But you see, her mouth is really hurting, so by the time she finishes eating the chicken, you know, it's overworked and she doesn't really want to eat the carbs or anything. So I decided to combine it and to get her the carbs, get her you know, fats and oils, and get her the protein into one quick bite that she can do. Now the concept is really ingenious, but I'm not sure she's going to really appreciate it because of how her teeth is really bothering her. And she was asleep, she droopy and everything, so we're just, well, droopy to eat the food, but she has enough energy to beat me up. Ouch, ouch. So you can tell them hi, you can tell them hi. Now we haven't done food videos in such a long while, so for those who do not know me for food videos, I'm a mean cook when it comes on to Zaya. Yeah, to baby food, yeah? So we're going to do this baked chicken dumpling, and then we're going to see how Zaya enjoys it at the end of the video. So stay tuned for that, and remember, if you haven't subscribed as yet, please hit the subscribe button. It's the little red button at the bottom of the video that says subscribe. So just click it and you're good to go. So thank you so much and stay tuned for the end. And you know, we're in our little aprons. We're in our little aprons. Zaya has her little apron. You see? Zaya has her little apron. Grandma made the apron for her. One of these days, I'm going to show you the entire process where Zaya actually helps in cooking the food, right? So Brian is going to make something for her to stand on so that she can help me. Until then, you'll just see me preparing food. But decision time. Will Zoya like it? Come back for it, Mama. Come back. Baby got back. Hey, Zoya. Zoya. Yes. Alright, well, let's maybe call it a BLW fail, a baby-led weaning fail. The dumplings are really nice in my perspective, but she's just not into it. So she just ate the raspberries, and you know, she's there kicking the thing all over the place anyway, so she's not really interested in it. But she's not really feeling well anyway, so I'm going to try the recipe another time when she's actually feeling well. But you can try it for your little one, or even your big one, or even yourself. What happened, Mama? What happened? What happened? Yeah, she's grumpy. But she's on the mend anyway, so you can try it. Let me know what you think. Let me know if you edited the recipe. Let me know what you suggest that I can do maybe, and stay tuned for more food videos with ZB and Mama. So no monologue, just the ZB and the Mama. So remember to hit the subscribe button if you haven't already, and thank you so much.